Hi everyone, need help with AT&T voicemail for your landline? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set it up and troubleshoot common issues with ease. Let's dive in. How to set up voicemail on AT&T landline. From your home phone, dial star 98 to access voicemail. Choose a personal identification number, PIN between 6 and 10 digit, enter it and press the hash key. Re-enter your PIN followed by the hash key to confirm. Record your name when prompted, then press hash to save or to record. Record your personal greeting or choose the system generated greeting, then press 1 to save or 2 to re record. Your voicemail is now set up and ready to receive messages. Accessing voicemail method 1 from your home phone. To listen to messages, dial star 98 from your home phone, enter your PIN when prompted and press hash. Method 2 from another phone, call your phone number from another phone and press the hash key during the greeting. Enter a PIN when prompted. Troubleshoot AT&T voicemail for landline. Fix 1. Voicemail not set up. Ensure that you have set up your voicemail within 60 days of activation. If not, it may be automatically removed. To set it up, dial star 98 from your home phone and follow the prompts to create a password and greeting. Fix 2. Voicemail unavailable message. If you receive a message stating that voicemail is unavailable, wait a few moments and try accessing it again. This can sometimes be a temporary issue. If you cannot access voicemail, ensure you are dialing star 98 correctly or try calling your home number and pressing the hash key. Fix the voicemail box is full. You cannot receive messages if your voicemail box is full, so regularly delete unnecessary messages. How to delete messages? Access your voicemail by dialing star 98 or your home phone number, enter your PIN when prompted, listen to the messages and press 7 to delete any message you no longer need after listening. Fix 4. Turn off call forwarding. Check your call forwarding settings. If all calls go directly to voicemail or if none do, ensure that call forwarding is turned off. If you want calls to ring through to your phone, pick up your home phone to get a dial tone, dial hatch to one hatch. Wait at least 3 seconds for a confirmation tone before hanging up. After hearing the confirmation tone, call forwarding will be deactivated and calls will no longer be forwarded. Fix 5. Try resetting the voicemail pin. Method 1. Reset your pin online. Go to your My AT&T account overview page and log in. Scroll down to the voicemail section and select check or manage voicemail. Choose voicemail settings. Select change pin in the general preferences section. Enter your new pin and confirm it by re-entering it. Select save to apply the changes. Method 2. Reset your PIN from your home phone. Dial star 98 from your home phone. If you are not at home, call your home number and press the hash key when you hear the greeting. If prompted, enter the PIN you believe is correct and press the hash key. If you enter the wrong PIN 3 times, listen for the prompt to reset your PIN. Press 1. When you hear the prompt to reset your PIN, enter your 8-digit authentication code that you created during setup. You will need to enter it twice. Create a new PIN between 6 and 10 digit. Fix 5. Contact customer support. If problem persists after trying these steps, contact AT&T customer support at 800-288-2020 for further assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.